When you first open up Premiere Pro, you're taken to the home screen. To start a new project, I'm going to select New Project. This will then ask me to specify where my new project is going to locate. I'm going to call this Getting Started. I'm going to choose the location. I'm going to click Browse. Browse will allow me to find somewhere on my system. In this case, I'm going to the desktop. I'm going to save this project into my PR training folder. This folder also contains media. These are the clips we're going to be importing into our project. So I'm going to select the topmost level. I'm going to click Choose. When I click OK, this will open up my Premiere Pro workspace. Having opened up my Premiere Pro workspace, with my project saved into its location, reference at the top of your screen, you will see there are a number of panels. Now these can be a little bit daunting when you first open up Premiere Pro. There are four main areas you need to understand. First of all, your project panel, your source monitor used for previewing clips, your timeline for assembling your sequences, and your program monitor for viewing those sequences. There is a logical step. The first thing to do is to think about your project panel and think about the media you're going to work with. You will see here that there's a piece of text, Insert Media to Start. Now this can simply be done by double clicking within this blank area.